And good morning everyone, welcome back to another episode of Unplugged TV. Sunny, hot, you know the rest. Okay, today we've got a trailer job to do. We pick up some garden soil. So first we are going to the local markets here in Lately to buy some plants, some veggie plants. And then we go to the landscape supplier to get some garden soil for our garden beds. I'm actually expecting a state of health drop every second, so to speak. No, still stable. Still stable. Did I mention I like the Outlander? It's a pretty good car. Can tow. Nice to drive. Elevated seating positions. Four-wheel drive. Excellent. No rest, thank you very much. Thank you. What a dusty place here again. Oh god, this dust. Oh, that's heavy. Hit it with 6 kilometers on the gasometer. And 41%. Quick look at this trip card here. So this was a full electric drive to Lately and then to the landscape company. Pick up some garden soil. I would say trailer is about 550-600 kilos now, including the soil and trailer. So this is the trip here. 30 kilometers it was. Quite some elevation. And we've got normal driving style now. With the trailer it's a normal driving style, and if I drive like grandma it's a sportive driving style. That's amazing. Don't know what parameters actually take into account here. Probably the regen or something, I don't know. So as you can see, 26.2 kilowatt hours with a 500 kilo load on the back. So a little bit more, 30% more, is that correct? Yeah, it's about 30% more energy usage with a trailer. So take this into account. And I really paid attention to the power meter in the car when I drove. So I haven't used more than 35 kilowatt when we left the landscape company. It goes a little bit uphill over there, but there was no traffic behind me, so I took my time and used only 35 kilowatt on instant energy, instant power to get the car and the trailer up this hill. So no problem at all, just normal driving with the PHEV. Yeah, I'm not a specialist in backing up this trailer. Really, I always had my problems with it, but as with so many things in life, there are good days and bad days. And today was a medium day, I would say. I wouldn't call it a screw up, but it wasn't quite as nice as I usually do it. Sometimes I can really back the trailer around the curve and everything works just flawlessly, and I'm getting angry because I didn't set up the camera to show everyone. And today I didn't set up the camera and it was, well, medium. Anyway, the trailer is there where it should be, so my wife can use this dirt now for the garden beds and get everything up and running. And yeah, well, so with this trailer load today, about 500 kilos, say around 500 kilos, including dirt and trailer itself, you can do about 35 kilometers on a medium elevated course trip, as you have seen, and you use about 26 kilowatt hours per 100 kilometers. So that's probably the maximum you can get out of the brand new battery in terms of towing a trailer. Totally fine. Speaking about trailer, I've got some comments about the last video I made. Look, I'm not really too fussed about the trailer situation anymore. We thought this a little bit through and said, look, we use the trailer maybe 3 or 4 times a year to pick up some hay from the farm here, not far away from here. And then we use it a couple of times a year to go to the transfer station, get rid of some garden waste. But this is maybe only 2 times a year when I do that. And then we've got this situation like today when we pick up some gravel or dirt or sand or something to build something here on the property. So I go to the landscape, which is another 6 kilometers in the other direction. And that's pretty much it. So usage pattern of this trailer is probably less than once a month. 6 to 8 times a year, and that's pretty much all we need the trailer for. I don't want to wait for an electric vehicle which can tow, which is affordable and can tow, just because we use the trailer 8 times a year. And I looked up some solutions on the internet, and there is we can install a tow bar on my wife's car. And now it's only a Kia Rio 1.4 liters, and the trailer is probably bigger than the car itself, so it looks a little bit. On the other side, we are not putting any huge load on this trailer, and the Kia is able to tow 750 kilo, which is the capable weight of the trailer anyway, so this all fits together. Tow Bars Australia tow bars, well, they've got an offer on their website for an installation for this car for $650 including shipping. They deliver you all the parts, all the bits and pieces you need, all the cabling. It comes with a manual and everything. I know this sounds a little bit strange. I'm not sure how this all works in terms of safety and regulation, but I mean, a tow bar is a fairly regulated and safety. I don't know how this all works, but obviously this is possible here in Australia. You can just fit it yourself, and that's potentially what we are going to do if we go ahead with a full electric car. So I'm not constrained anymore in this towing. We don't need a car which can tow. So I'm open to the market now basically and see what's available, so I don't have this restriction with the tow bar anymore, which is probably good. Why is the iPad not working? So the good thing is we are basically free to buy anything we want if we go ahead with this plan. We still need to wait for Mitsubishi next week coming back to us and telling us what to do and telling us what they are going to do in terms of fixing. Yeah, this is my friend Gary in Canada over there. If you haven't watched his videos about the metal searching, what is he? Metal detecting. Metal detecting videos. Very funny. The dog, awesome. The dog is better than Gary, but awesome. I'll link it below. So yeah, depending on what Mitsubishi says next week, what direction we are going to do, let's see what's happened. I'm happy if they want to go ahead and fix the PHEV. I'm happy to keep the PHEV for another couple of years. PHEV is awesome. It's totally, absolutely suits us here in this area, as you've seen today. Trailer towing, no problem at all. Full electric, didn't spend any petrol at all. I can commute in full electric. I can do most of my trips, even here in this area, on full electric. It is a great car. It is a shitty service. It is a even more shittiest BMU software. and they need to fix this. So Mitsubishi Japan, if you see this, if we are going to stay friends, you have to fix this car and do it quick. You've got until end of May 2019. Yeah, well, and of course everyone is super excited. Here's the dog. Everyone is very excited here in Australia because Elon Musk has announced that the configurator for the Tesla Model 3 will be online very soon. I think it's on the 10th of May. I heard about 5th of May and 10th of May. I didn't do any research, so it will be in the next 2 weeks. The configurator will be online, and we can then build our own Tesla Model 3. There's heaps of speculations on the internet, of course, especially in the Tesla Model 3 Australia forum Facebook group. One of the big discussions is about pricing, of course. Nobody knows what the prices will be here in Australia. Import taxes, on-road costs, and other taxes on top of it. I don't know. It will be expensive. It will be expensive. But some people think the standard Model 3 will be available for 55,000 Australian dollars. I mean, if this is the case, 55 grand to 60 grand, I would be happy to spend this money. I would pay 60 grand for the standard Model 3 here in Australia. Standard version, 300 kilometers range would totally suit me. Absolutely. Yeah, so let's see what is going on when this thing goes online. We probably crashed the website over there. And maybe there are some other options to the Ioniq. I don't know yet. I don't know. I would rather expect the car to be more like 65 to 70,000 Australian dollars. But who knows? Let's wait and see. So yeah, there might be some other options on the market which, even if it doesn't have full self-driving and autopilot function, due to the finance restrictions I maybe have then, I probably have to buy this later on then down the track, but yeah. Okay guys, so far the speculations we always have. I guess I will end the video right here now. There was nothing new. It was just, I don't know, I felt like I should do a video from today and take you with me to the unsuccessful market situation and lately where we didn't get any plans at all, and then we picked up half a ton of dirt. So that's what you do. Okay guys, as always, thanks for watching, thanks for your support. This is Andy from Unplugged EV Australia signing off. You stay charged and we will see us in the next video. Okay guys, see you then, bye bye. There you go. Metal detecting.